Hey, everyone, this is Detector AI. Nowadays, a lot of people use AI tools like ChatGPT to help them write articles, blog posts, and even essays. These AI tools were doing great at first, but then AI content detectors came into the picture. These detectors can spot things like deepfakes, AI-generated text, and even fake reviews. This can be super frustrating for some, but don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT content undetectable. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting tons of videos on how to use AI tools to boost your productivity in work and learning. Alright, let's get started. Bypassing AI detection is actually pretty easy, thanks to a tool called Detector AI Bypass. You can find the link in the description. This tool can transform AI-generated content into human-like, undetectable text. It claims to generate 100% plagiarism-free text that can bypass popular AI detectors like Turnitin and GPTZero. So let's put it to the test. First, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a 500-word essay on how AI technology is changing our lives. Once we have the essay, we'll copy and paste it into an AI detector to see the results. Let's start with GPTZero. So, we paste the essay here, run the scan. As expected, it shows highly confident this text was AI generated with a 100% probability. Now, let's see if Detector AI Bypass can help us. You can either search for it on Google or click the link in my description. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down and click on Try Bypass AI for free to access the dashboard. At the top, you'll see 3 modes: fast, balanced, and ultra enhanced. I'll choose ultra enhanced for the best results. Here, I'm going to paste our AI-generated text. You'll notice 2 buttons, Check for AI and Humanize. Let's click Check for AI first. It shows that our AI text is flagged as AI generated across all detection tools. No surprises there. Now, let's click on Humanize. It will transform the text into human-like content. At the bottom, it shows that the humanized version has passed all the AI detection tests. Awesome! Now, let's take this humanized content and put it back into GPTZero to see if it can really pass the test. We run the scan, wait a few seconds, and there it is. We are highly confident this text is entirely human. That's a pass. So, that's how simple it is. With Detector AI Bypass, you can easily turn your AI-generated content into human-like, undetectable text. It's a game-changer for essays, blogs, and any other writing projects. Go ahead and try it out. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!